Greetings, viewers. Welcome and thank you for watching. Guys, we are here once again. We are here once again. The plan is a very simple one. Alright, it's a very simple one. And I'm sure we are getting a win. I'm sure we are going to get a win. So, nobody at all should lose hope. Okay, this plan is very simple. And it's going with a win. Okay. Alright, so this is Togo Kadoo. This is Togo Kadoo, okay. It will start Friday morning. Okay, it will start Friday morning, and the closing time is 11:30 a.m. So at the end of the video, I'll leave my number behind so that those of you that you would like to write it with me, some people they are not writing it at your place, some people they are writing it at your place, but you would like to write it with me, I'll leave my number behind so that you can call or WhatsApp me to write the game for you. Okay. Alright, so let's move to the first plan. Let's move to the first plan of the day. Let's move to the business of the day. Alright, this is the plan. Okay, just at the current from event 7:35. Okay, we are going to meet single 5, which is group 5. Okay, and the following we are going to meet 14, which is also group 5. Okay. Alright, so this is the second one, single 5, which is group 5, the following 14, which is also group 5. Okay, so this is the current 50, group 5, the following 41, which is also group 5. Okay, we see how it is doing the third move, which is also group 5. So the following we are going to meet a certain number at last boss. Okay, so the following the number should repeat. So after the number repeat, the following the number will repeat with a certain number. Okay, and the following the turning of that number will drop under it. Okay, so when you meet it like this, the following the last boss number repeats and the number will be on the event. The following the turning of that number will drop under the number. The number will turn and drop under it. Okay, so let's come here. Let's come here. So here after the 14 is also group 5. So after the 14 for the last boss, after the 14 you are going to meet a certain number at last boss. Okay, so this is the second one. The following the number should repeat and play with a certain number on the event. The following that number should turn and drop under it. Okay, so the number that will turn and drop under it will play with what the 14. Okay, the number that will turn and drop under it here, this one play with 14. This one number that turn and drop under it play with 41, the turning of the 14. Okay, these ones are using single 5, single 5. This one is using 50. This one use 50. Okay, so from here let's check something. From here, the number that turn and drop under it after the last boss number repeated, the number that turn and drop under it, 1, 2, 3, that number should jump and come and drop over here live. So when that number jump, look at how the plan repeat the last boss number and the first boss number and drop them with the number. Okay, the first boss number and the last boss number at the top. Okay, so let's come here. So after this number play and turn and drop under it, 1, 2, 3, we are here, we are on this event. So this 51 should jump. So when the 51 jump, the last boss number is 20, the first boss number is 79. Okay, So it should move for the 2079. Okay, this is a current move, so it is complicated. Okay, see the first movement 14 single 5 14 66. So the last boss number repeated, and then a certain number play on the event, the number 10 and drop under the number itself. Okay, so here is the single 5 14 74. The following with this number repeated. Okay, and a certain number will drop and 10 and drop under it. So from here 1 2 3, the number that 10 and drop under, the big one should jump. So when the big one jump, the last boss number and the first boss number should repeat and play with it. So that means double repetition. So that means this event will have double repetition, and this. So after this one happened over here, 1 2 3, this 51 should come, this one and this one should repeat. Let me show you something over here. The reason why this first boss number and last boss number, we'll use this one to as a too sure. Let me show you something. Let me show you something over here. Yes, we are going to meet single 5. The following is 14. Here 50. The following is 41. The 10. So the following we are going to meet 67 as center boss. So here the following is 67 center boss. So the number at first boss and the number at last boss will repeat and come and drop. And come and drop. So here that is the 2079. Okay, look at something. Let's look at something over here. You see this one play what 83, and the 83 play what 1457. Okay, so here to this 83 single 5, 83 single 5, 83 single 5. This one can I play it was 1475. Okay, so what I'm saying here is that you see that after this one played the 1457, this 83. So at first I thought that is the single 5 that is playing. That's what I told you last week. And last week we saw that this 83 that drop here and this one that drop here. This one play 1457, this one play 1475. So I thought that this one should play, the 1457 should jump back. Okay, this is the second move. As we are seeing the 20, we have to go with that numbers. Okay, the continuation of the 1457. Though the plan not play the 1457. Let's check something over here. Here you are going to meet what 83. The following week at 1457. Okay, so here is it again 83. The following is 1475. So let's leave this one. Let's deal with this one. You meet 83 following 1457, which is what addition 71. The 1457, which is addition 71. So here 83 center boss again. So this one come and play what single 467. The 14 go minus of 10 and drop all the distance, which also addition what 71. Okay, so this 1457 is the one that the game is playing in a different way. But let me show you something. When after this 1457 play, it has been playing some too short. So I will show you right now. Okay, it has been playing some too short. All right. Here's the first one. 1457. This one moved for 20 already. Let me show you something. It's the way we are seeing the repetition of the 20, we have to go with that. Here too, you see the 83. Okay. Here to 83, the following 1457. Here too, you see 83. The following what? 1457. And this one, the 83 play for 68, 83, 68. So when you count the current to you are going to meet 83, 68. Okay, so the following what 1457. So the following with is the event, and you are going to meet what 2072. too sure. Okay, 2072 too sure. So here too, after the 1457, the following was 2072 too sure. So this, let me show you another one again. Another one happened at this one happened at event 584. Let me show you another one over here. The plans today, they are complicated. Event 730. Here is it. We are going to meet at 1457. So the following was 2072 too sure. The following 2072 too sure. So the 1472 is addition 71, and this single 467 is addition 71, and the 83 play 83 center was 14 this and this one. So the game is trying to confuse. So as for this, as we are seeing the 20 should repeat, we have to play the 2072. Okay, we have to play the continuation of the 1457 because the same addition play, and this one play it close, the addition to play close. Okay, all right. So our second two show will be the 2072. The 2072. Okay. So let me show you another plan here very quick. You see this one, you are going to meet at 68 at event 684. The following week you are going to meet at 1457. This is what will confirm to you that this is the game that the plan is playing, and this one play for 20, and this one, and then the 86, the 68 10 to 86. Okay, so let's go to the current. We are going to meet 68. So the following week, single 467, which is also addition 71. Okay, and this one play with 20, and this 68 10 to 86. The same thing happened over here. So the following week is the event. This 20, the plan said this 20 to 10 to single 2. Okay, so in the 62, you see all these numbers drop. This addition drop with all these three numbers, and this one too, the addition drop before these three numbers. Okay, so the following, the 20 should turn to single 2. So here too, let's expect that this 20 should turn to single 2. This 20, let's expect it to turn to single 2 live. All right. So okay, let's check something over here very quick. Let's check something over here very quick. Here, the first one that happened, you start the number, the 14 play for 75, which started in 71. The big one 10. The big one 10 to what? 57, 10 to 75. So here to the big one should 10 to what? 76. Okay, the Togo game is very simple. Here to the big one to 10 to what? 76. All right, so let me confirm that same 76 for you. Let me confirm it for you. Okay, here we are going to meet 68. This event 68 at second boss. The following week single 476 close. Okay, so here 68 second boss. The following single 467. The 10 of the 76. Okay, so the following week this 76 should repeat live. Okay, and this one you can see that this event 2 is asking for double repetition. Okay, as we are seeing double repetition, this event 2 is asking for double repetition. Okay, so yes, it's after the single 467, the following the 67 should repeat. Either it will use the 67 or it will use the 76. This 71 is just addition. I'm trying to use to show you something. Okay, all right. So let me show you the final plan. Okay, one last plan. All right, the time have gone already. Let me show you one last plan. Here is it. You are going to meet 50 as second boss. The following 41 first boss. Then the following was single 4. Okay, 50 second boss. The following 41 first boss. Then the following single 4. Okay, those three numbers. So the following is the event. You are going to meet, and I'm going to pick this 13 constant banker on each one. All right, so let me confirm it for you. This one use what? Single 5, the 10 of the 50. The following 41 first boss. The following is single 4. then the following week is the event, and you can meet the 13. Okay, you can meet the 13 constant number. Okay, the 13. So guys, I'll show you something over here. Do you start the way this 2072 is addition 92? The way the plan gets here, this one, the small one go minus of 10 and the big one go plus of 10. Here too, if the small one should go minus of, it will be a triangle. Minus of 10, it will be what? 10. And if the big one go plus of 10, it will be what? 82. So we'll try this one, 10, 82, and then 30, 62. We'll try it as a triangle. Also addition 92. Okay, if it can afford to play the 2072 and play its addition, because the plan play the addition instead of the numbers itself. So guys, let me show you the picking so that we can move from here. Let me show you the picking. Okay, okay guys, this is the picking. Togo Kadoo, the banker is 20, 2 short 2051, 2079, 2072. This is the best 5, 20, 51, 79, 72 single 2. Okay, this is the best is 20, 51, 79, 72 single 2, 76, 67, 13. And this is the try again, 10, 82 and 30, 62. This is the try again. So guys, let's try it and see what will happen. Enjoy. Bye. And please, let's be on time. The closing time is Friday. Okay, the Friday 11:30 a.m. in the morning. Okay, 11:30 a.m. It's a morning game. 11:30 a.m. Friday. Okay, guys, enjoy. Bye bye.